is the 10th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. There's a harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 10 reads, which choice best describes data from the table to support Barrett and Rayfield's suggestion? When you see the word suggestion or something like it, claim, conclusion, hypothesis, assumption, or argument, then you want to look for the word and verb form in the last sentence of the passage. And so what is a suggestion? It says that an estimate of dinosaur bite force may be significantly influenced by the methodology used in generating the estimate. And notice how we could see that as muscular and skeletal modeling are very similar estimates. So in other words, the estimate seems to be tied to the estimation method. And then tooth-bone interaction analysis is very low. Body mass scaling is very high. So again, a connection between the approximate bite force and the estimation method. C is your best answer. That's basically what it's saying. The bite force estimates produced by Bates, Fullington, Cost et al. Were similar to each other. Notice, same estimation method. While estimates produced by Mears and by Gig, Knack, and Erickson each differed substantially from any other estimate because they used different estimation method than the others. See the following video. Check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Test 2, Module 2B. It's the longer videos above this where I explain everything in more detail. Have a great day.